Everyday people are in the gym, and everyday people find themselves spending more and more time struggling to figure out how much weight they have on their barbell and which plates to put on next. The idea for this project came from the many complaints I have heard as a volleyball player at UTSA. I went around asking many different athletes about the biggest problems they face in the weight room, and the most consistent answer came out to be the arduous task of figuring out which plates to put on next during workouts. Much like a regular calculator, the plate calculator will use two semiconductor chips. A semiconductor chip is an electric circuit with numerous components like transistors and wiring comprised together on a little device. This device is known as an integrated circuit due to it consisting of several components. This device will take inputs given by a touch-activated keyboard using the electronic components called logic gates. The logic gates enable the circuits to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers sent to them by transistors. Depending on what the user wants to do, the device will then release outputs on the liquid crystal display screen for the users to interpret. The plate calculator works in two ways. First, users will simply pick an action. The options are put on, which will tell users which plates to put on a barbell for their desired weight, or amount, which is where users can input the weights they currently have on their barbell to determine the total weight. The plate calculator is programmed to respond to the Put On button by displaying on the screen total weight and allowing them to input their desired amount. The program will then tell the user which weights to use from biggest to smallest, going based on a standard weight system, which can be changed based on the weights the user has in settings. The plate calculator is programmed to respond to the Amount button by displaying on screen 2 times and a blank. Users input the amount of a weight on one side and the program will double it while accounting for the standard weight of a barbell at 45 pounds. Users can also go through program settings to change the weight of the barbell. The plate calculator will then tell users how much weight they have on their barbell. The plate calculator is designed to fit the universal look of a basic calculator. It is small and compact for on-the-go travel. It also has a powerful magnet backing to attach to any Olympic squat rack. Above all, the plate calculator uses durable plastic to withstand any damage inflicted in the gym. It is guaranteed to be waterproof due to any sweat or liquids that may cross its path.
Cost of materials. The total estimated price to build the first model of the plate calculator is around $45. First, we need to establish the brains of this whole operation, the semiconductor chips. This is where all of the magic happens. All of the logic pathways previously mentioned will happen in this chip. This is why the product will cost so much. This is also one of the downfalls of the product, the price. Next, we have the wires to establish connections in the calculator. AA batteries will be the main source of power, but will unfortunately not be included in the purchase of the plate calculator. Next, we have the neodymium magnet. This is added for overall satisfaction and accessibility to the calculator in the gym, giving you access to the calculator on the side of whatever machine the consumer is using. This could be the barbell, the squat rack, the leg press. You can even put on the elliptical if you want to, even though that doesn't even have any weights. After it's all said and done, and all of the first finishing touches are done, we can now start testing our product. First, we test the dexterity of our product in various ways. The first being the water resistance test. For this, we dunk the plate calculator in water for 1 minute. We then take out the plate calculator and repeat this test for 5 times to make sure the sweat-proof label stands true. Next, we test the dexterity of the plate calculator. First, we place the plate calculator on the ground, then hold a 45-pound plate approximately 5 feet above the plate calculator, and then drop it. The plate calculator should be able to withstand the weight. We repeat this step 5 times as well to ensure max efficiency. This is for just in case you drop the plate calculator and then you are lifting a weight to put on one of the side and it accidentally drops on the plate calculator. It should be good after a couple drops because this is a weight room, so it's pretty common to drop weights. After the product is finalized and we're happy with the results, we will have one more final test to see if the product needs any type of improvements. 15 calculators will be sent to 5 different high schools, and over the course of a month, the plate calculators will be put to the test by the different high schools' athletic programs. At the end of the month, we will gather the results given to us by each high school and compare results and make the improvements that need improving. Even though this product may seem useful to many, the market for this type of technology may not be in demand right now, especially during a pandemic where less and less contact with each other is being more common. This isn't the only risk at stake here. What if the plate calculator doesn't hold true to its name? What if it breaks? Or what if it's too slow and takes too long to compute the results fast enough back to the consumer? These are all possible ways that the plate calculator could go wrong. But how much easier would it be to walk in the gym knowing what weight to put on, not struggling to add up large numbers in your head? It is worth the risk to make a few simple clicks and be set for your set.